In this video today I will show you and share with you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem on Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first now before everything you have to go and open the settings of your device, then go directly to apps, and on apps, as you can see here, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search for Google Play Store. When you found it, just open it like this and then go directly to storage. And on storage now go to not Google Play Service, sorry, Google Play Store. Click on storage option and click clear data, click OK, and also clear cache and force stop and click OK. Now the last thing is to go to Play Store, or you have now to